Final ruling released in DeCastro appeal. Monday's release of the final order of Judge Michelle Leavitt gave Jose Chille DeCastro a small victory on Monday, reaffirming his win in some people's eyes, while reestablishing the belief that the prosecution didn't try in the case and literally handed the victory to DeCastro. Leavitt's ruling essentially came down to her belief that DeCastro complied with the order by Officer Brandon Bork to move back, and Bork was at fault for not telling DeCastro how far to move back. Unlike the ruling that Bork had probable cause to arrest DeCastro by the judge in DeCastro's ongoing federal civil rights lawsuit, the fact that DeCastro backed up a few feet after being told he was being detained was enough to sway Leavitt. Judge Leavitt said in a ruling that the lower court did not consider the recent ruling in Wilson v. First Judicial District Court, with her claims echoing the defense in the case, and literally no other commentator or expert who has reviewed the case, that obstruction is a physical act. The prosecution in the case replied with a weak "nah-ha" to her contentions, but being the judge, she ruled that this was a right-to-film case and that DeCastro was somehow being punished for filming police. Despite the testimony of Officer Bork and the specific statements made by Justice of the Peace Ann Zimmerman reaffirming DeCastro's right to film. Leavitt's ruling again comes off as a quick get-this-case-off-my-docket ruling that sided with a passionate defense rather than an indifferent prosecution. It reads as if defense attorney Christopher Oram wrote it for the judge, and if he did, we have no doubt the prosecutor would not have noticed. DeCastro is attempting to ask the court in his federal civil rights lawsuit to consider Leavitt's verdict, despite previously ruling in favor of the Las Vegas Metro Police Department that Bork had probable cause to arrest DeCastro, and it remains to be seen how much of an impact this decision will ultimately have on the federal court case.